We made a natural compost pile with pallets. Come and see. We got our pallets for free from a local store, and they said that we could also have this cardboard too.
Lots of cardboard and pallets.
Okay, now, so where to put this? So we looked on the side of the house, the front of the house, the back of the house, and we found a spot underneath the trees. And I know it's supposed to be a sunny spot, but this is the best we could do. I really like it. It's away, it's hidden, and I could put all when I juice. I could put all what's left of all my vegetables and cuttings.
Push it with your foot. No, don't push it. Okay, thank you. Perfect. Hey.
Good, thank you.
I mean, it's not, don't get me wrong, you start throwing enough branches in there, you could break. That's why right now I'm just sort of putting it together. This is solid.
I'm actually very happy how it ended up. I love it. It's very functional for me. This is the end. This is the end product right here. We put a bar between, we put a piece of one by, I should say, between each one of the bins just for support. It was a little too flimsy. And then we put chicken wire underneath. The chicken wire is to hold whatever wants to come out of these bins since it's an open bin. It works really well. It looks very well too, and it's breathable, which is what I was really concerned about. So that's the end product. Isn't that wonderful? Doesn't it look pretty? I'm really excited. Now, the very last one of these bins is the one that's going to hold what we call the black gold, the finished product, the compost. And that should be very fine. We didn't want it going out through the back, so we put chicken wire. Hopefully it'll hold it or hold most of it in the back. And there it is, final product. All right, then we come to the end here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell on top up there so you get notified when we put most videos. Bye for now.